Thank you, Vivek.
That was a
So,
statement. I think one of the students demanded.
thank you.
I don't remember.
So, which one would you prefer to choose, students?
Growth
Anybody?
zone.
Growth zone.
Anybody would prefer to live in comfort zone for the rest of your life?
No, sir.
I'll give an example of comfort zone. For example, I mean, this is not exactly my example. I've heard about this example. You maybe in a city, going from one place to other place through traffic every day, and since that you are doing it every day, you are okay with it. You stuck in traffic, you're okay with it. You don't get you know discomfort feeling in it because it's an everyday thing. It is how it works. It's how I should live. So we are not going to change that. We'll in control of it. We'll just live like that. So I'll just give a more deep depth understanding of what is a comfort zone. Feel safe, feel controlled. Like okay, fine, and we have goals. So the question that arises right now is how do we reach to growth zone? If we believe that we want to do that, how do we do that? So we have two stages of struggle. First thing is another zone that is called as panic zone. Okay. Or fear zone. Okay. I'll take a pause here. Why we are discussing, you might have started asking questions in your head, started right now. Why are we doing this? Why are you have to know about, at least by theory. Believe or not believe is your choice later, but at least you should know about it. Is you made an important decision of your life recently. You have decided your career choice recently, and uh, and it's a very important big step. And by knowing these kind of theories, it may prepare you for better future. Um, in terms of mindfulness, or basically becoming more human, not turning yourself into a animal consciousness, more of human consciousness. And it's not there in any books or it's not there in any lectures, unfortunately, which should be there. But so I thought I'll introduce you to these theories so that your decision that you made is a fantastic decision because that's your choice. I would anybody who at this age made a choice for him or herself, I'd be really appreciating that. But working on it is something that we are there to help you out. Okay, we are coming to a fear zone. Fear zone is coming there. We should go forward. If you want to know more about that, we have lack of confidence. Then, with this lack of confidence, because we find excuses. Excuses spelling क्या होता है? I forgot.
EXCU.
EXCUSES.
Thank you. So this is an excuse, right? I forgot. And excuse, once we give excuse, what will happen? It is going to help us back to, see, now that I said I don't know the meaning of it, now I went back to my comfort zone. So nobody's going to judge me. I'm cool. I'm good. I'm great. Whatever it is, what we call it. So this excuse will, and because of a lack of confidence. But so if I have to define these two, for example, what actually it talks about is, can you quickly search what incompetence means? Somebody for me. and say it out loud once you find it. Incompetence. INCOMPETANC.
Not having, not
Inability
doing.
to do something
Yes.
successfully.
Hmm?
Inability to do something successfully.
Thank you. Everybody is clear with that word? Inability to do something successful. What happens in comfort zone is we have, obviously we don't know everything. We know little things about how to live, how to survive, how to do things, and little things compared to what is vast knowledge that is available out there. But what we do is we go to a place where we call it as unconsciously incompetent. So we don't want to be incompetent. We want to be incompetent. But reality is we don't care. We just don't care. We don't care what we don't know. We'll just live with what we know and just go forward every day, every day, every day. We don't care what we don't know. For example, you don't know why do you join classroom today? Are you able to think about that? You don't know why you joined this online lecture. So, and we don't care. Let it happen when it happens. I'll sit there and listen and then decide is it good or bad. But you decided to sit in the class without knowing what you signed up for. If I put it in a different context, if I ask you to go for a movie and pay whatever you have to pay, and I'll say the deciding factor is they will decide what to play that day. They will not tell you before. Do you prefer that when you go for a movie on a movie theater?
No, sir.
So basically, if I have to talk about a student mental mindset, that is happening with him every day. Definitely, there are so many people investing in education is really trying hard to change that. People are trying to ask you what you want to learn today. We will tell you that. So that kind of thing. Yeah. So but all of this we don't care. So that's why we make the choice and we sit in the classroom and we just go ahead with our life. Unconscious incompetence. When it comes to fear zone, it is still incompetence. But it is conscious, right? I know I don't know the meaning of so and so word, but what can so now I took the thing and I asked you this, can you tell me, somebody can help me out with the spelling? I forgot about the spelling. What people do usually when such kind of thing happens, somebody who is in a fear zone, they will write what they think it is. X, Q, something they'll write. They'll write some other word because that is what excuse is karke, they'll finish it. They'll not even ask for help, they'll not even ask for things. So that's finished. Job. That's it. So consciously they know that what they don't know. But we are afraid to make changes. We are afraid to do the next part. Are you with me? Whatever I'm saying, slowly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Lack of confidence, excuse, and go back to comfort zone and sit back there. We make our mistakes, go back to comfort zone. Sorry, I made a mistake. That's it. I don't want to change that. I don't ever want to change that. You may be at your home, maybe there's so many things that I remember my childhood days, not even childhood days. I still do the same mistake at home whenever I go back home to Hyderabad, my hometown. So I don't off the fan when I get up back to do other things and all. I forget to off the fan in my bedroom. So never going to change the mistake. And now it has become a funny memory and all those things. We laugh about it and all those things. But I didn't change that till now. It is not good part. It is not proud moment. But same thing I believe it would happen with you also at your home. Something other your mom or dad would say, don't do that again. Try not to do that again at least. But we still continue to do that. So we are conscious about what we are doing wrong, but we don't care again. Again, go back. So, difficult part. Reality. This is what I believe. I mean, I'm not saying your entire life is wrong. I'm saying there are small bits and parts which are not good about ourselves. First, you have to accept this. Then try. Let's see what happens. Try to change slowly, one by one, one by one, one by one, one by one. Okay. So there is an interesting thing. So now this is not helping us to go to growth zone. This zone is just realizing us what we are. So there is an important zone that is learning zone. What happens in this zone? We have, let's say, acquire new skills. Then we try to deal with challenges. So if I have any of this problem again, I know how to solve it or go through it. Sorry. Deal the challenges. This is in the stage which you are right now, which you have actually put. So if I have to put this one, this particular part is conscious. You are conscious. Why did you come today to college? You're conscious why you got up today in the morning. You're conscious what is going to happen tomorrow morning in terms of your learning. What skill I'm going to learn today? What learning I'm going to have today? End of the day, you ask yourself, what did I learn? Did it happen? Or should I go back to it and relearn it? Because Ranveer sir put it a very fantastic way in the second and third day, was learn once. Learn once for the entire life. That's it. Because the reality is, as a human being, you have to learn it anyways. If today or tomorrow or day after tomorrow or 10 years later, and especially if you're doing an artificial practice, trying to do that, you have to learn it again anyways. Because without that, you can't go forward. Simple as that. But, so you choose to learn today or you choose to learn 10 years later. I would suggest choose today because it will help, because you can learn so many things later. Other things happen later. But we prefer to choose tomorrow. We prefer to choose Sunday. We prefer to choose next week. Okay, we'll do it next month. Do it today. And let's see if you're going to apply where. So are we okay here? So consciously competent. And if you're able to do that every day, consciously do everything that you're learning. For example, you're learning how to buy a ticket from a railway station counter or through online. Or you are learning everything else, single step is learning. It's not like you have to come to classroom and only learn. You're just walking out in the street in the evening. You found a bird, very interesting looking bird. Did you have the mindset of learning? Oh, beautiful. Maybe if you can capture it, you capture it. Maybe go back home. That's it. What is the bird name, man? Come on, it's look interesting now. Imagine if the bird would like to do that. Oh, this is Anjali. Okay. Imagine that. Obviously, they can't do it, maybe, but we have the brains or the qualification to do that, or privilege to do that. So let's do that. No? Our purpose is clear. Our design, why we were designed in such a way. There is a purpose for it. If you have to use it, and we have given a choice to use it. Either use it or don't use it. So if you want to use it, and if you use it on a daily basis, on every single second, what happens in your sleep is somebody called a subconscious or not unconscious, subconscious. So that also depends upon this, what you're doing consciously also. That's it. And if you're able to get over this panic zone and go to this learning zone, simple as that. I asked what is the answer? And somebody said this is the spelling of it. I learned, so I'll try not to forget this. And I went to learning zone. Not saying I'm in a growth zone right now. I'm learned. So whenever anything that I don't know, anything I don't know how to do it. oh, I don't know how to do it, is not comfort zone excuse. I learn how to do it and then go forward. Learn something new again, another thing, another. So I hope many people told me that they want to be in a growth zone, so this is a growth zone. Now, what happens in growth zone? It will happen. Your competence, the ability to complete things successfully, ability to complete any activity successfully, will be unconsciously done. No, like you don't know, like you're not preparing for it. Happens. That is where you can call yourself that. Yes, sir. I'm in a growth zone of my life. So, but there will be an interesting question that people would ask. Comfort zone is not that bad. It's not a villain of the story. It is also good. So what happens is, it is not that this is the end of the story. It is not that you take birth here and you die here or something. This is not timeline. Don't mistake with the timeline. This is happening every day. This happens every day with every single thing, every single second of what happens. Sometimes you go to this area, sometimes you prefer to stay in comfort zone, and so many things will happen around. It could be career choice, your daily breakfast choice. It could be healthy choice or unhealthy choice. It's not like it has to be big things only. Small things. There is a beautiful book. If you would like to ever like to do it, there is something called as Atomic. Is it right? Can you read Atomic there?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Then we have, what is atomic? What is the size of an atom? Small, big. Size of an atom is small or big?
Small.
So small habit changes can make you go further out. I'm also started reading it. I'm still in, I should frankly tell you, I'm on 7th page. I read the book for the sake of reading it, but practicing it, I'm on the 7th stage right now. 7th page, sorry, not 7th stage. Small and small. I'm trying. I'm trying to go to growth zone. I'm not here already and I'm asking you to come there. As I told you, there are many aspects where we can put it. It is just not one thing. And I really wished somebody would have told me when I was first. So that is why I thought I should share it with you. Any doubts on this page before we go to second page? So I will help you to do this part. I will support this entire next 20 minutes or so. I will try to create a workshop or a task to get to this part. In my own way, there are so many ways, but this is my personal opinion of how to go ahead. One of the words, not only the only way, it is only one of the ways of many ways, right? So this part, how to come from comfort zone to learning zone. From here to here is your choice. That is, you can figure out, but I want to get rid of this. At least considering you are an architecture student, make a choice of career in architecture and further courses that is possible with this background. Any questions till now? Just look at everything once again. If revise everything in your head once again, and let me know. Okay, then we can go ahead with the next part. Would you, I'll repeat the question once again about the first question I asked you. Would you seriously prefer to go to growth zone? Or at least would you like to start knowing this learning zone? Okay. Remember this, comfort zone, what we are doing here is nothing but this comfort zone I just talked much about. It is just going to expand this comfort zone that you see here. Presently, it is limited to this area. But as you start going, once you finish this part of the story, your comfort zone becomes this much. And the whole other set of challenges will come. So there is another bigger circle that is going to come. So this became this. So another set, and the entire life will continue growing on. It is not a dead end. It is not end. So now you what you did is this is a mistake. That is a problem that is creating this a barrier, a very strong barrier. It is not easy. A very strong barrier to go there, even though we want to. So once we do cross that and get into this part, comfort zone, my comfort zone expands to this much. And again, to get out of it, again I'll have a fear zone. Then again I have to go across it, and slowly I'll be going further. Okay. As I told you, as an architecture student, I am trying to help you with some things. My approach is, let's just understand you. So you are here, it is you. You are surrounded by, again, I'm talking to you, you're surrounded by families, friends, and many other people. But as I said, you're an architecture student, that is what my interest is about you right now, is you are surrounded by seniors, your peers, that is your classmates, yeah. And on the next level, you have your faculty, or architects that you aspire or meet through social media. Oh, this is a very bad mistake, man. Okay, professional architects. Both are professionals, but in a different choosing. Faculties and architects. Really sorry about that. I can't take this. Okay. So this is what our story looks like. And we have, what is the next thing that we have out of it? Your I'm saying, when you say you, your friends that you already have, your family is already here in this bubble. Your seniors, your batchmates, that is new to you. Your faculty and architects you aspire to become or learn about them is here. And what is the next one? Any possible guesses? Any possible guesses?
Clients or people.
Oh, who said that? I'm sorry, I can't see. Who said that?
Kishan.
Thank you. People, right? Or, yeah? Or I would say, like people is an individual, I can say a family maybe. Family. Individual. Or can I say community, or can I say world? Yeah. As I said, I'm going to help you to get out of this fear zone, especially for your next, to get into the learning zone every day, so that next 5 years will be a good learning zone. And growth zone will automatically happen, should happen, if you are constantly in a learning zone, not in the comfort zone around us. So my approach towards this, let's take a pause here. These are people around us, doing lots of stuff around us. If we are in a comfort zone, we don't want to ever want to connect with these people. Never with these people. We might definitely have a good friends. Some of them, not everybody of them. You know, in a class of 40, I have only 2 friends or 5 friends. This is my gang, this is my thing. I will never even contact more than 3 to 4 people. Seniors, I might know 2-3 seniors out of 200 to 400 students, that is possible. Faculty, I like one faculty, I don't like other faculty, something like that will happen. Architects, I know one architect, I don't know his name, I don't know where is he from, but good building series, nice, nice, nice. That's it. Entire world is cut off. You, your family, your friends, and some of your new friends have happened because of you living together with 5 years. What a possibility to do. I would suggest, why just 5 people? It is not about you like them, are you BFF, are you, something like that. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about learning part, knowing part. You should not be like, I'm not, because tomorrow you have to meet so many people, man. Our only client that is there is called people. If you can't handle one person in your own classroom without any, you can definitely have debates, you can definitely have what you call agree to disagree moments. But if you can't, then how are you going to take care of the world tomorrow? Design for the world, design the people of the world. So, if you change your attitude, mindset, maybe you are good with everybody. Definitely, you are close to some of them, very close to your personal information and so on. But you are good with everybody else. You know majority of the seniors. As much as they are open to meet you, you are open to meet them also. Know everything what's happening with them. How is second year? What is that? What are they designing? I'm doing this. What are you designing, sir? Your senior economist. Faculties, know about them. What are their passions about? What are they doing beyond just teaching you one subject in a room, right? If you maybe you'll find a better answer because they are nothing but the seniors. In the same college, they are the seniors. You just add one more number to it, you will get clear. That's it. They're no different from these people, considering you as a constant here. Then we have architects out there. Imagine, I'll meet them also. At least the local persons. Catch up once in a year, once in a semester, I'll just try to meet one architect. They will say, go get lost, this is not your place. This ID card of architecture school is so beautiful, you can go anywhere. You can go anywhere in the name of study. In a sense, the weirdest thing I would say is, yes, I visited girls' toilet in the name of student card to study or to understand, nothing more than that. Got it right? So you can go take it anywhere. Nobody will say no. But obviously with the prior permission and all those things will happen. It is, actually we did that first time we did it for fun. We went to our college toilet. And obviously girls were guarding us. Girls were outside, we were taking care of it. We went to Abu Sari, we came back. We were very young stage. And when we did it in a public platform, like public case studies about toilets, we did a project on it. So then we have to do it that way for a competition. So it's good. It's like there is no limitation of it. And all because of student ID card. If I go right now, there might be a problem or something like that, but as a student ID is so powerful right now. And if you are able to talk to them nicely and tell what you need, they will definitely they will be willing to help you in anything that you want. So only thing is, are you approachable first? Or you want to approach, then the world is ready. And obviously your people, your nearby families, your communities level, know that. For example, if your community level, if your street level only, they don't know what architecture is, what values of architecture that you learn here, you can't tell them, or if they don't understand, if they don't know, how are you planning to build buildings for them? Teach them every day what you learn here, or make them know what is happening here in your college with your learning towards architecture. So that when you also become architect, they also learn something about it. They'll expect something right. They'll have the right taste in it. Like food, right? So, coming back to the question of how to get away, I have two things. One is inquire. Inquire. If I have to put it simply, it is majorly they are same. Mostly they are same. The action is same. What you're doing is same. There is little bit of informality here. There is more depth or formality here. Okay. So how, for example, I'll give a very quick example. Let's go back one stage behind when we were not actually joined a college of architecture. We are deciding join a college of architecture or when we are deciding to become architect or choose architecture as a course, can I ask you what kind of questions did you ask to your friends, colleagues, your fathers and friends, or what is your question about architecture was? Or what your father asked to his friends to check up on is it good or not? What kind of question did he frame? Can anybody answer, say that to me? Are you guys there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just a question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's talk about college. Forget about architecture. Let's talk about college. So, what is the question that asked when you join college? What is the first question that you ask to your friends or anybody? Anything you asked or your parents asked about the college?
About the teaching faculty, the first question what they asked, like my father asked,
You asked his father asked about teaching faculty. Good.
and the quality of education. 2 points.
Quality of education. Okay. Anybody else? Please, I want more on the board. There's so much of white space I have to fill today. Fast. Come on.
Placement,
Placement.
opportunities in future,
Opportunities.
Safety.
Hmm? Sorry? I couldn't hear it.
Safety, sir.
Safety. Okay. You're at your home. Or you're talking about COVID safety.
Campus.
Campus. Okay.
Infrastructure.
Sorry? Infrastructure. Okay. Campus infrastructure. Fast.
Housing facility.
Where are the guy power, male power here? What happened to the male power? Only woman power I can see everywhere. What happened to the guys out there?
Fee structure.
Fee structure. Good. Can I? This is what your parents asked, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What did you ask? You didn't ask any of this, correct? Am I right?
No, sir.
Anything? Did you ask fee structure?
No.
Definitely. Anything else? Did you ask? Okay, what did you ask? You might have
college
asked.
events,
What?
college events,
Did you
different.
really ask that? Let me tell you the truth, okay? Not you think you should have asked. You did or not? Did you did ask or not? Yes or no?
Thought of it, sir.
Thought of it illa. Simple shading. You did or not?
Canteen.
You asked about canteen?
Yes, sir.
Sure. No line here, right?
Yes.
Thank you, man. Thank you. What about canteen? Good, is there, not there, good or bad? Huh? Okay. Anything else?
Cutoff. Ranking cutoff.
Ranking cut off. You ask. Good. Okay. Faster, we are running out of time. Come on, guys. If you didn't ask, didn't ask. Simple as that. No worries
Site
about it.
visit, site
See,
visit.
sorry, when the answer is no, you should say I don't have any answers. Don't let me put a pause is not accepted as I have no answer. If you like, sir, I have nothing to share, let other people share. They will share because they have answers. I don't have answers, so I'll not share. So, but I'll tell the group that I'm not going to share anything because I don't have anything to share. Nothing from my side, sir. You can carry on with others. Are you clear with about this important thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
When I
sir.
ask a question and you don't have, please
Yes,
tell it to
sir.
us. Okay, I don't have answer. So
Site
anybody who
visit.
does site visit,
Site visit.
you asked her. You asked site visit. Who is this, madam? I will talk to her separately later. Who is this person? Site visit. Somebody said site visit, right?
Yes, sir.
Who is this?
Hemika.
Emika. Okay, I'll catch you later. Okay. So there are something I will do. You know what did I ask? I always go back to myself when I have to think about the world. What mistake did I do?
We can't see clearly, sir.
How good is the college? Is the college good? Did anybody ask this question?
Yes, sir.
No?
Yes, sir.
Obviously, to somebody else, right? There is somebody around us which we ask, is the college good? The problem with this question is there are so many answers. Let's say if you ask a student of the Kodapakla college, is the college good? Maybe he's having a wonderful life there. He has good friends. Maybe he has a girlfriend right now. So he has all smiles and happiness in his face and said, yeah, it's a good college, maybe. So he's saying, yes, it is a good college. Maybe if you talk about other student, he is learning so many things. He is what do you call that? He is meeting faculty every day, learning some new things, not even just things that are there in syllabus. Beyond that, he is learning so many things. And he's enjoying that life. So he said, yes, it is a good college, it gives us opportunity now. Then fourth guy is like, it supports my sports career, it does so many things, and it gives me extra time for all my other priorities also in my life, because it is just not, at this age, I can't just do one thing, that is just go to college and come back. I have so many other things that I participate in. So I want to grow there also, and they're supportive of that. Never ever think wrong about it. They always were supportive. So that is why it is good college. Now the question is, when they say yes, it is a good college, there are different reasons for them to say it is a good college. But what is your reason to ask, what is your meaning of good here? You got it? You got the difference between inquire and enquire? Sorry, enquire. Basically, both are same way we say inquire and enquire, with an E and with an I. You understood? If you ask something,
Yes, sir.
then you'll get answers also, right answer, yes or no answers. But so let's say, for example, somebody say it is a very bad college, you know the reasons, It not be literally, if it is really a bad college in the name of education, he would have left by now. He should have left by now. Because why is he wasting time there? But he's saying some college is bad because of so many other reasons. Maybe faculty doesn't like him, or he doesn't like faculty. I don't know. There could be so many reasons. You would understand your question is wrong. Your question is wrong. And this question is important for our entire life. But my question was so simple as this, and I thought I'm doing a good job. And I'm listening to their answers and going for it. No, if I have to investigate, what your father did is investigate. He has so many things. They are not entirely connected. They are different things. Your father or your parents are actually investigating how good is a college, not by asking how good is a college. So, okay, here it is okay. Here it is not so okay. Here it is okay. So, calculating all these things, they will say, I think it's a good college for my daughter or son. I think she'll have a bright future, or he'll have a bright future. So, this is called investigating. So, you pinpoint and get the answer. You will understand? Get the answer. And it's not just one question, there's a series. Okay, series. Are you clear? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, my question is, you have to investigate the world tomorrow, future, someday. If you are ready to investigate, not say or not advise or investigate the world, you are going towards learning zone, right? Before that, you are able to investigate the people around you. If you are able to investigate the faculty, everybody that's around you under the umbrella of architecture, if you're able to investigate, I'll give you one more question right now. You can ask your friend, what should I do? Or you can ask your friend a question, what you would do if I in the same situation. Can anybody give me a reason? What is the difference between both questions? What would be the reason? If you ask your
Sir,
friend,
can you repeat the question?
yes, I'm repeating the question. The question is, what if you're asking your friend right now, what should I do, man? Or what you would do in the same situation?
I'm asking their opinion.
Okay, both times their opinion.
First one would be suggestion and the second one would be opinion.
First would be suggestion. So in the suggestion, they were thinking about you, what you are capable of, not in the future, in the past. And the other one is they are talking about their capabilities. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
first answer would be limiting to your responsibilities. So you can't do anything better than what you already are. You already know the answer, actually speaking. It's just that you're asking friend for support, second, what you call advice, that's it. Just concrete. What you would do will make you like, okay, think little different for the same problem or situation. Or maybe increase your capabilities or competence about such issue. Yeah. So these are the basic differences. Both are solving the problem, maybe solving the problem. But sometimes the other way of doing it is better. So we are going to start questioning things around us, things happening around us, the right way. It is not good or bad. I will say that movie is good because I like the heroine. I like that song. But you might be going for the movie thinking that, oh, Sandeep sir said the movie is good. You went and watched the movie. Like, what is he talking about? The movie is so bad. The script is no story only in the movie. Because I was looking at the hero entire movie, right? For me, it is good only, right? So you don't kind of ask this kind of questions. So investigate the questions because it's going to help you. There is information out there, knowledge out there. You have to get there. You can't just sit alone and do it. It will not come to you. You have to interact. Interact in the sense of investigate or question. So that is where we end. No, not end there. End this part as well. You able to understand where are you? You able to figure out? Look at all the things, understand these 2 points. In the next 20 minutes, I'll quickly tell you what is assignment for this. All good? Say yes in the comment box. Go through everything. Thank you. Just remember my trick for now, one way is to go from here to here is questioning the right way or learning to question the right way. Who is it going to benefit from that question? Obviously you. Who is questioning is going to get benefited. What if you can remember, there is a first bubble I wrote you. In the second bubble, what I wrote? In the second bubble, what I wrote?
Seniors and friends.
Years.
So, there are 5 years that we are here under education. And there is a lot more of life that will happen after that also. We will start to at least investigate these people first. If not the other world that is, at least it's there, but if we can't reach them right now immediately, we will take advantage of investigating these people. So the trick is we have to investigate these people. We have to ask questions to these people. Who are they right now? Who are they? Got it? Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what do you want to do? Repeat. What do you want to do?
Interview a
We are
student.
student of art.
Archaea. Hey Baba, I thought I will not waste time writing answer from this, but you can say,
Architecture.
again I made a mistake. So, do we think the answers will be different when I ask this person, this person, this person, this person, this person?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, you can't just ask one student about it, right? Because we'll get maybe wrong answer, maybe right answer. We can't assure, we're not sure of is it right or wrong. Your investigation is very bad investigation. So one from that makes sense here. We'll do investigation to one from each year. Makes sense to get a better understanding, better result.
Yes, sir.
So, what to ask these people, man? Okay. Let's say they are willing to tell you what they have answers to. What to ask them? So, anyways, you're first year right now. So, would you like to ask your friends? Maybe they also have questions, so they will not be able to answer perfectly the questions right now. They'll give whatever they have in their mind, but not the right or the best possible. So we will not investigate the first years for now, but we are the ones who are investigating everybody else. So you as a group, whole class as a group, you are going to question so many people, from second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, and get the answers, compile them together, and see what this is going to help you. Because you are meeting individuals right now. Some might be relating to you, some may be not relating. But what is the first step that I should do right now? If I have to do this, what is the first step should I do?
Get everyone together.
Who? Everyone. Then it will be a mess, Baba. Interview you do for everybody. Yeah? Have you seen news now recently? Debates karke hota hai. 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Does it make any sense to you?
Frame questions.
Sorry?
Frame questions
Who is this again?
to ask them.
Who is this? Smart person. Huh?
Syed,
Oh, Syed, you're really smart. Frame the questions. How many questions should we ask? How many things is okay? 50, 100? Not a question that we give to them, huh? How many questions?
How much ever you want to understand that person.
Okay. But they might not have time right now to give it to you. They are not your close friends yet. They don't know you. How many questions would you like to start? You're starting definitely. So how many questions would you like to limit to yourself? Put a number, boss. Huh?
3.
3. What is your name? Where are you from? What is that question then?
Okay, not 3, maybe 5.
So we definitely are going to ask these questions as our questions, isn't it? Did we go to know his name? Did we start this to know his name? Our investigation is interviewing is for naming, getting. Why are we doing this?
To get to know each other.
That is happening while you're doing
About
this process.
course.
The course about your journey. Remember this very thing, very important. The focus is You are doing this investigation for your advantage or your preparation for the next 5 years, if possible, beyond that also. Not just for 5 years, beyond that also. You are investigating this person to help you yourself to prepare for the next 5 years. Are we clear? That person will go get a degree and leave right now. The process of knowing each other is happening in this process, yes. But you're not doing to know that person. That is not the ultimate aim of it. That is one of the prior goals, yes. That's good to know people. But what is the thing? Are we clear about this thing? So when I say that you have to frame, it should always relate to this. You might ask, what is your name, senior? What is your name, faculty? Where are you from? Those are not part of these questions. Those are pre-questions to the main questions. You ask them before you start the recording or before you actually do formal interview. You know about them. That's it, right? Correct? You will introduce yourself, they'll introduce themselves, and so on. Got it? So these questions are not talking about pre-questions or post-questions. They are talking about actual questions that you really want to help in preparing your preparation for next 5 years and beyond. Okay. Frame questions. How many? I will say for now 10. After creating 10 questions, you can make it 15 also if you prefer to. Filter it out to 8. Once you filter it out to 8, I'm deleting 2 of them. Not so important, they are not going to get much advantage of that. Then I put it in hierarchy. In the sense, this is a very important question for my preparation. The second important question for my preparation. Third important question, fourth important question, seventh, eighth, and so on. If I get limited time, what I would do? I would just ask first 3 questions. If I get more time, I would ask 8 questions. If I get even more time, I ask 10 questions or anything that you prepared in the first draft. But are you clear? Frame 10 questions, filter to 8 questions, then what you should do? You should do put it in a hierarchy. Organize it in hierarchy. Once you've done that, you go ask the questions. Obviously, you prepare once before. That is, you take somebody's help. Let's say your faculty's help, first year faculty's help, review. Just check with them, ma'am, this question framing, everything is right or not before I go for interview. You want to have any suggestions? And you will say, no, all good, man. I think this is a beautiful thing you have done. Go ahead. Or maybe there will be some small spelling mistakes or grammatical things or something. We'll not want to change your question. We'll not suggest a question, but we'll review just last minute draft. And what you can do after that, go out and do the job. Are we clear with this? The process that you have to go through? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Today, before 5, we are finishing this. Are we clear? I will give you one support. What support is? Let's start working in groups. Since we are not interacting much with our own friends before interacting others, let's do this task through groups. How many groups? We are only 15, boss. 16, sorry. What we'll do, we'll divide into 2 in one group. So first group is called A, B, C, D, E, F, E, F, G, H. How many groups are there here? Hello? How many groups are there here?
8.
So, who wants to be in group A? 2 names. Who wants to be in group A? 2 names. You tell your name. Somebody else will tell their name. I'll put it into play. You don't know. You forgot your name. Nice.
Hemika, sir.
Wow. Name please. What is wrong here? You have to express. You can suggest me if I did anything wrong here.
Anjali.
Okay. Next. Why? I'm not going to make you have lunch today. If we're going to do this.
Chandana, sir.
Come on.
Ansel.
Next. Don't wait for me to write.
Sanjana, sir.
Sanjana, answer finish. Next.
Sanjana.
There are two Sanjanas here. I'm sorry.
Sanjana, sir.
They make a spelling mistake there.
Sir, Chandana and Sanjana, two are different. Chandana and then Sanjana. CNS.
Chandana.
So one is Chandana, one is Sanjana.
So now it is Chandana we are talking about. Chandana. And this one, my mistake. Chandana with. Chandana is told her name, then who is next? Huh? Somebody said Aishwarya, I heard. Aishwarya, you kept the laptop and you went to America. Sorry, anybody else home? What?
Diksha, sir.
Diksha.
M.
Come on. Waiting. Seriously, guys, time is going up. We have 10 minutes for lunch. Don't want to have
What was the
lunch.
question? I
Who
lost
is this?
connection, sorry. It's me, Syed. I just lost connection. That's all.
Okay, no problem, sir. We are making groups into two. Where did you stop? You understood what is today's job assignment?
Yes, sir.
So we are making groups right now. Two people in one group. They are going to do the job. Which end?
Rakshita, sir.
Rakshita. Please write your group names with you right immediately while I'm doing it. E. Group E.
Kishan.
We can't.
Don't see, you know when somebody says the first name, you know other one. Who is the person? We can't see Hemika, right? Anjali is your partner. Kishan. Next.
Syed Alwadi.
Okay, Syed. Okay. Next. Do you have more people?
Sir,
Did I left
Vishishta.
everybody? Who is this? Trying to speak.
Vishishta.
Which is what? Okay.
I have no one, sir. I'm just only one girl left.
How come?
Sir, I guess Vaibhav is left out.
Diksha TP. I don't know whether she
Yeah,
is
Diksha
on.
TP. Sir, Diksha TP.
She's here.
I think she's not there, sir.
No, sir, she's not there.
Okay, how will she know assignment what to do? You'll explain her.
Only the girl left out, sir.
Only that.
Girl left out. I have no partner.
We have to do girl only, huh? Something like that,
Yeah.
huh? Why? Did I say the rule somewhere? Did I wrote somewhere in it, girl only? Oh, that's why Krishna and Syed get. Syed, did I say boy and all?
Like that.
Huh?
Sorry. No. No.
I don't know. I never said that. But Vishishta want only girl. Is it Vishishta? Correct.
Yes, sir.
You don't want
Yes,
boy,
sir.
right? Huh?
No, sir. No.
Why, sir?
It's okay, sir.
Okay, sir, or no, sir?
No, sir.
Okay. Any woman who okay with working with the boy? Any lady here who is okay with working with the? No.
So I can do it.
Who is this I?
You can also do it, sir.
Who is I?
So me, Aishwarya.
Aishwarya, I am taking you out from Chandana's group and putting this stuff there. And Vishishta goes here. Vishishta, remember this day. Remember this day, this moment. What happened right now? Who is
Sir,
next?
mine is with Chandana, right?
Chandana with Vishishta is one group. Aishwarya and Rakshak, you are there.
Yes, sir, I am there.
You know what we are discussing till today.
Yes, sir.
So you want to team up with Aishwarya, you have a problem with the girl.
No, sir. No problem.
Aishwarya, you have a problem with Rakshak.
No, sir, I have no problem. I can do it.
Thank you very much, Mother. So, any more people that are left out? Vaibhav case is not speaking, so maybe he's
Hello, sir.
waiting for, what, sir? Waiting for?
No, sir. I had a problem with internet. That's why it was so much of lag. I couldn't hear.
Okay, Vaibhav, you know what's happening on the board right now?
So I can't see, sir. It's too much of blur.
Okay. Is it with everybody or only just him?
Everyone, sir.
So just say about the
Even to me
assignment
also,
once more, in brief.
I'll just take the names of everybody. Bhumika Anjali is one group A. Sanjana Anchal is group B. Chandana Vishishta is group C. Diksha Rakshita is group D. Kishan Fauzan is group E. Aishwarya Rakshak is group F. Vaibhav looking for a partner.
Sir Prithvi. Diksha TP is left, sir. Left, sir.
Diksha TP. Is she here in the group right now?
No, sir,
Diksha is
she's
not
not
there.
there.
Prithvi is there.
We will talk about people inside the group right now. Prithvi Nayak is there here.
Yes, sir, I am in.
So waiting for WhatsApp. Vaibhav?
Yes, sir.
Vaibhav, can you manage it to be?
Yes, sir. It's okay.
Thank you very much. So last group will decide later once they come into picture. We have 7 groups. Good. Everybody knows their group? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, Hemika from group A, tell me what you should do. Hemika from group A, tell me what is the next step that you should do. I'll give you a clue also.
Frame questions. I can't see, sir.
Okay. Anjali, can you help her out?
Frame 10 questions.
Then
Select
filter
it.
filter it to 8 questions. Put it in hierarchy. What is important for you? What is not so important for you in the hierarchy? And then ask any faculty's help for review. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You'll finish that today.
Hopefully.
Today.
Yes, sir. We'll try.
From post lunch to 4 o'clock. In that, I just want to take 1 hour to introduce to one person. That's it. 2 to 3, I'll introduce to one person. 3 to 4:35, you can work on. Yes?
When should we submit it? Yes, sir.
5 o'clock today. You'll get 2 hours to work on it. 10 questions, man. 8 questions.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, actually I got disconnected few times. Can you please repeat it once more? Just once.
Who is this asking?
Vishishta.
Vashishta, you're asking me the assignment. What is it about?
Yes, sir.
You have to interview a student of architecture, not just one student of entire college, one from each year. But who is that person? We'll decide that later. Not worry about that. But there is a person who is from first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year. We prepare questions in our head for any of these people. Second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year. How do you prepare the questions? You prepare so that it will help your preparation for next 5 years. So think smart and double think your questions. Don't say, what is good? What should I do? What will tell me? Not what should I do is not a question. Know about them, what they did. You get inspired or you go into it, it's your choice. So today, when your group is assigned already, for example, Vijishka, you are with Chandana. You as a group discuss together and create 10 questions or 12 questions or 14 questions is your choice. You keep thinking and talking and what should we ask, what should I? Some will be bad, some will be good. Keep the good investigation questions and only take 8 of them. Out of those 8 questions, you put one by one hierarchy. Hierarchy means the most important question. Let's say we don't have limited. Hierarchy should always be there in the questions. Then we will review with one of the faculty. Just ask them to check if everything is okay or any suggestions that they have. Vishishta, now are you able to hear everything?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it simple or very, very difficult?
Simple.
Thank you. So, we'll come back to this again if you want. This table. What are you going to do right now? I'm going to share one video of 5 minutes. Go watch that video and connect to your friends, teams, talk to how do you plan to talk to each other, figure out those things while doing lunch break today. So that post 3, don't waste time on that. You directly get onto the task. And 2 o'clock we are meeting here again, where one of Ridvi, you have a question?
Yes, sir.
Your voice is echoing.
Sir, your voice is echoing.
Is on. Ridvi, can you comment it?
Okay, sir.
So, people, 2 things you have to do in the lunch break. That is 1 to 2. Get connected to your partner. See how are you planning to have this meeting. Online, WhatsApp call, video call, chat, it's your choice. Figure out these 10 questions. And by 4 o'clock at least, filter it out by 4:30, 8 to 8 questions. And let's see. And I'll create a assignment form where you have to enter that form and write your questions there. That's it. Everything is done. I'll create a form. You just enter your questions, finished. Job is done. That is your assignment today. Okay. But remember, you're asking questions for second year, third year, fourth year, and fifth year. The same question. Are we clear about this?
Yes, sir.
So make sure your questions are good. My network was lagging. Please tell me who is my partner. Prithvi, who is Vaibhav? Who is your partner?
Prithvi, sir.
So can you contact Prithvi and tell him, please?
Yes, sir. I can tell him.
You have your WhatsApp numbers and numbers, everything.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I hope this task will be interesting because I told you this is the first step to connect for your learning. So hope you will do a good job. We are meeting at 2 o'clock to meet one person that is your senior or actually you can say he is the first from the first batch of Mysore School of Architecture, architect Jyotish Ramjit. He is working in part of architectural journalism writing for magazines, and so many things right now. He's 2019 graduated student. So fantastic guy. What 5 years we had together on the entire college was fantastic. His thesis was amazing. His thesis project, the final year project, was really a commendable work that he has presented, and everybody liked it. So I requested him if he would like to spend some time and share his experience with you guys. He said definitely. I would like to meet our own MSc students. So he is very excited to meet you guys at 2 o'clock today. He is also working. He had to take off from his work and come for you guys. So I hope, I leave it for you. I will not be there. It's his and you, seniors talking to each other. And hope you will enjoy talking to him and know a little bit about him. And whatever he teaches you or tells you, I hope it will help you in this process of creating the questions. Yeah?
Yes.
Are we good? So
Yes,
2
sir.
o'clock,
Yes, sir.
I will join, introduce you both to parties, your senior and you, and after that it's all yours. We'll keep it outside of us so that you can see how it goes. Yeah, you can be as free as possible. But if you know, sir, we want you also here.
Yes, sir.
If you, with your permission, we would also would like to join because we also would like to be part of it. But if you give us permission, we will be there. If you don't give us permission, no sir, you have to leave right now, then we will leave. So that's your choice, think on it. Talk to your group.
Join.
Sorry?
Excuse me, sir.
Join, sir.
Join, yeah? Okay, sure. Thank you. Anyway,
Excuse me, sir.
yes sir.
Yes, sir. What have you written on that board? Can you just take the pic and send us to in the
Yeah.
Telegram group?
I'll definitely do that.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Have
you,
a good
sir.
lunch. We have work to do today by 5. Before 5, it should finish. When I say finish, try to understand. One last thing, don't mistake me when I say finish. When you finish 10 questions, it is not finished. When you filter it, it is not finished. When you put it hierarchy, it is not finished. When it is reviewed by a faculty, it is finished. Are we clear? When it is reviewed by a faculty, it is finished. So before 5 o'clock, it has to be reviewed also. That is end. By at least one of the faculty. That is the end of the story. Not here or here or here. Everything should finish. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Shall I stop recording?